Okay everybody, here's the time and date on my Casio Sports Watch. We are down here at KC Live in Kansas City, Missouri, and today we're going to be doing an elevator tour of all the elevators that this place has to offer. The first elevators we're coming up to are the parking garage elevators, which are Otis. There's another elevator on that side we're going to go check out in just a second. But let's go ahead and start with these. Got this one. P5. Two. That's creepy. Let's get a cat view. One. Send you down.
Going down. P5.
Two.
Going up.
Otis.
Second floor. Going down.
This one's got a motor on it.
Lobby.
This thing is noisy. Okay, our next elevator we are going to is the Big Otis hydraulic elevator by Pizza Bar. That elevator we're going to save for last. Our next elevator is all the way over there. Looks like she's sitting here waiting. WMG, WMG, WMG. I do not want a copyright strike. WMG, WMG. Okay, here she is. Oh, got a new LED in there. Step back so you can watch this open. Get the whole thing in the frame. Oh, you can see the door operator up there. Let's go to two. Ooh, it's like an oven in here. Let's watch out the door. Opens up on this side. A little low on oil. One. We'll take this for another spin. It's like an oven in this elevator. Let's get a cab view of this thing really quick. Nice and tall. 6,000 pound capacity. We'll end it up here. Okay, our last elevator we're coming to is this elevator right down here. So yeah, this is the Power and Light District. So far we've ridden 3 out of 4 elevators. Let's see how this one is, see what it has to offer, if it's open. Because most of the time, a lot of times this one is usually locked off usually. Let's see if it's open today, if we can access it. Let's see. I think we can get in here, can we? Yes, we can. I guess I came on a good day. Anyways, here's our final elevator of the day at Power and Light. Oh, we got a motor. You know, Epic Motor elevators, we have to take them for 2 rides. Oh. Alright, I'm going to let you guys know this is a very confusing layout. We're going to stop on 1 first. Look right here, the indicator is gone. And there's your phone. Here's the first floor. See? So this one's actually the lowest floor, not this one. This is the lowest floor. We're going to be going down a few inches. Let's see if we go down at leveling speed. Oh, get full speed a little bit. Now this is the main attraction. Listen. One R. And then we're actually going to need to get out on the street, so we'll take it up 1 floor. There's 1R. We'll take it up 1 more time. And we're going to need to exit out onto the street. One. There's the Sprint Center. They have ThyssenKrups in there. Okay. And that's it. Thank you for watching.